What I thought I'd share today is the ability to add a shared channel calendar into Teams. If you have a channel dedicated to a specific project, or something like that, you can add the channel, the shared calendar to the channel, and that allows everybody to have direct access to that shared calendar right in their Teams channel. Everybody has access to it by default. And it just kind of speeds up, productivity, and it allows everybody to kind of hone in on the calendar straight away. The second thing that I think is actually really cool is an app add-in by Microsoft, and it's called Who. All right, so here we are in our demo tenant. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about shared calendars. So here we have our demo tenant. We have all of our channels here. So let's say in sales and marketing, let's say I wanted to create a shared calendar so that everybody that's involved in this group has a centralized place to look at everybody's availability, meetings, and things like that. So how you would go about that is you would go to your channel, so sales and marketing, general, and I'll put it here. So you go up to the top here, you click on the plus. It's going to say add a tab. At this point, you're going to search, which for me, it's already here, channel calendar. You click on that. And at this point, it's going to say name your tab. You can name it whatever you want. A lot of times, I'll say, sales team shared calendar. Post to the channel about this tab will notify everybody in this group that a shared calendar has been created. It's always nice. So I'll go ahead and add that. And then there we are. We have a new tab in our sales and marketing channel. In general, here we are, sales team shared calendar. So the next thing I thought I'd show you is the Who app. I don't know. There's a lot of apps provided by Microsoft that really does enhance Teams and give you a lot of additional functionality that I think is pretty great. So what we'll do is I'll show you that. If you want to go down to the apps here and then search for Who. All right, there it is right there by Microsoft. So you click on Who and then you add. Okay. Now what that does is it adds here. So you have it down here. So then what you can do is it's almost like your Google Assistant or your Siri or something, but it's for your internal organization. So this is especially helpful, I feel like, especially in today's climate where people are working remotely, especially people that are coming on to maybe a new position, a new job. Everybody's remote. You can't just tap on a shoulder in the office. This is perfect. If I wanted to say, who knows about marketing? I ask it, and then it needs permission, so I'll allow. Boom. It then tells you everybody who knows about marketing, and it uses, the artificial intelligence, the machine learning. It pulls from Azure Active Directory for all your organizational details. And here's everybody that knows about marketing. And if you ever had a question about what you can say, what can I say? That will give you kind of a list on things you can ask. It goes so granular. You can ask, a lot of times you'll think, somebody emailed me about that a couple weeks ago. You can literally ask that question. Here's one of the examples: is who emailed me about launch in the past 2 weeks. So those are two things that I thought, I find very useful myself. I think they offer a lot of functionality and expand on the functionality that Teams offers.